This is not my first rodeo when it comes to going to rehab. I've tried them before, and it always kind of felt like I was trying to put a Band-Aid over a bullet hole. It just didn't work. It would last for a little while, and then I would just start bleeding all over the place and all over again. And I will be honest, I did not want to come here. I tried to find every excuse to avoid and delay the inevitable, but I am so incredibly grateful that I came here. This program really saved me from drowning at the bottom of a bottle. And it really reinforced in me that I have ethics, morals, and values that I want to start living by. And I couldn't have done it without my parents. And I couldn't have done it without all the staff. To the very wise and very patient facilitators, Jeffrey, Danielle, Greg, and Jeremy. And to that beautiful soul that was my counselor / therapist, Miss Lisa. You all pushed me to dig deeper, to open up and be vulnerable, and you made me cry on more times than I would care to admit. To everyone on staff, from detox to maintenance to security, and of course the very hardworking trainees that are here, you entertained us, you pushed us to stay focused on our program, and you spent countless hours searching for us all over this campus. So thank you for all of your hard work. And of course, the unsung heroes of this place, those lovely people in the kitchen. Elvin, Tyler, Carson, and Sam. They fed us, they nourished us when we were homesick, and they're doing the Lord's work every single day. So I am so grateful to that kitchen staff. To my parents. This is gonna make it great. Thank you for not giving up on me, for dragging me out of places I shouldn't have been, and for saving me from just dying. Thank you. And just to all of the clients, I just want to say, don't forget why you're here. Keep your heads up and just focus on your own program, and just know that you do got this. So, thank you.
We believe that you should empower the individual and that we need to show them what went wrong and then give them their power back so that they can tackle addiction as an issue and overcome that.
With your program, how successful are you?
And so we track them all the way through the program and then after the program. And last year we ranked #1 in the entire nation based off of success and overall results.
So if people wanted to get more information, where do they go?
ElevateRehab.org.